Hello, today's video is on the new Nigerian tax ID. I'm going to be taking us through the website, so that is a physical explanation. My name is Dr. Yvonne Afolabi, talking under the platform on Dr. Dryvonnetax YouTube channel. So the Nigerian tax ID is in collaboration of the Joint Revenue Board and the Nigerian Revenue Service, effective from January 1st, 2026. So it's very important that every individual, business person, that's BN, or partnership, company, all take our time to do it. And it's not hard, it doesn't take up to 5 minutes. And the website, I'm sharing my screen to take us through the physical website, so that we are talking based on reality. So the website is taxid.nrs.gov.ng, which is what I've been using that works. I've been able to get tax ID for like 1, 2, 3 companies. So both for individual and for corporates, I understand the whole process. So this is individual, that's why it's asking for your name. Then if it is corporate, it's going to be asking for your BN, or that's why we have select organization type. So if you're a business name, you have BN, it's not under individual. Individual is we're using either NIN or CSC. So CSC does both BN, it does company, it does incorporated trustee, it does limited partnership, and it does limited liability partnership. So anything NIN is your individual. Onye Afolabi, that is for NIN to get a tax ID. But once you are a vendor, you have a business name, you went to CAC to register a company, an incorporated trustee, a limited partnership, or limited liability partnership, you have to go through corporate. So individual is for NIN as Onye Afolabi. Corporate is Onye Afolabi Foundation. Yes, it's an entity, it's corporate, you go there. So we're going to test one. And let me do, I've already done it already, so I believe it will prompt me that I have it already. If not, it could still retrieve it for me to see. So this is corporate. So if you're a partnership, you put it limited partnership or limited liability partnership, or incorporated trustee, your company, your business name. Incorporated trustee is NGOs. Limited partnership is the partners are limited just within the partnership, while limited liability is in a broader scope. So now I put a BN, this is a NGO. So the type I'm going to pick now is incorporated trustee. So I hereby consent to the processing of my information for tax-related entity verification. Yes. So this is the website, taxid.nrs.gov.ng. Then you now go to either individual using your name that you got from NIMC, whereby almost all Nigerians have it. Then we have corporate. Then we also have others. Others are non-resident entity, an entity that is not Nigeria, or MDAs. Those are under it. So every Nigerian is covered. Company, BN, individual is all covered here. So now we are going back to corporate, and is okay, must be a lagging effect. Okay, incorporated trustee, and this is the number. So you just go to retrieve ID. So it's showing me again. This is what I did. I screenshot it, I print it, and you already have your ID. So your RC number has been successful. So this RC number has been successfully verified and matches a tax ID in our system. Means it has now matched to a tax ID. Your tax ID is this, it's copy ID, or you can print it, and this is your tax ID that replaced TIN, tax identification number. So it doesn't take minutes of the time. And as a business person, as a company, as an incorporated trustee, as partnership, it's very important you do it immediately, because it started, got effective from 1st of January, and today is 9th. So just go to do it so that you'll be able to transact your business ASAP. My name is Dr. Yvonne Afolabi once again, and I'm talking on the platform from at Dryvonnetax, that is at Dr. Dryvonnetax, which I'll be talking about things pertaining to tax going forward, the tax, finance, and economic frontier with Dr. Yvonne. Thank you, and see you.